Good morning students. Saint Elizabeth School Anjar. Standard 7th. Subject Maths. Chapter 6. The triangle and its properties. Topics to be covered in these chapters are types of triangle, medians of triangle, altitude of triangle, exterior angle of triangle and its property, angle sum property of triangle, two special triangles, equilateral and isosceles, sum of length of two sides of a triangle, right angles triangle and Pythagoras property. Let us understand first of all the triangle. What is a triangle that you already know? A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Here triangle ABC is given. Parts of triangle. Here triangle ABC is given. In the triangle there are three sides. In this triangle, one side it's a AB, then BC and third it's a AC. Now let us understand the angles in the triangle. There are three angles in the triangle. In this, angle A, angle B and angle C. Now let us understand the vertex. In this triangle, there are three vertex A, B and C. So these are the parts of the triangle. Now let us understand types of triangle. First of all, understand types of triangles on the basis of sides. Let us understand scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? A triangle in which all three sides are different in length is called scalene triangle. Let us understand with the example. Here scalene triangle is given. We can observe that all the sides are with the different length. So it's a scalene triangle. Now isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle in which any two sides are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. Let us understand with example. Here isosceles triangle given. We can observe that in this triangle, two sides are equal length, it's a 6 centimeter. Now equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all three sides are equal in length is called equilateral triangle. Let us understand with example. Here equilateral triangle is given. In this all the sides are equal. Now let us understand types of triangle on the basis of angles. First of all, acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all angles are less than 90 degree is called an acute triangle. Let us understand with example. Here acute angle triangle is given. From this we can observe that all the angles are less than 90 degree. So it's an acute angle triangle. Now right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Let's understand with example. Here right angle triangle is given because one angle is equal to its 90 degree. Means one angle it's a right angle. So it's a right angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one of its angle is more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle triangle. Let us understand with example. Here obtuse angle triangle is given. We can observe that here two angle it's a less than 90 degree and only one angle it's a greater than 90 degree. Means in obtuse angle triangle one angle is more than 90 degree. So it's a obtuse angle triangle. So from this we can conclude that types of triangle on the basis of biside and biangle. Biside equilateral triangle means has three equal sides. Isosceles triangle means has two equal sides. Scalene triangle no equal sides. And biangle, acute angle means has three angles less than 90 degree. Right angle means one angle equal to 90 degree. Obtuse triangle means has one angle greater than 90 degree. So these are the types of triangle on the basis of side and angles. Now let us understand medians of a triangle. What is a median? The line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called the median of the triangle. Let us understand with example. In this, the median of a triangle is a line segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. We can observe that the middle line, it's a median. The triangle has three median. Let's understand with example. Here one figure is given. In this, there are three medians. One it's a M1, M2 and M3. These are the medians. The three median intersect at one point. This point of intersection of median is called the centroid. In this figure we can say that G is the centroid. Now let us understand altitudes of a triangle. What is the altitudes? The perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. Let's take one example. In this figure, BD is the altitude of the triangle. A triangle has three altitudes. In this figure, we can observe that here AD, BE and CF are altitudes. Altitudes of a triangle intersect at one point. And this point of intersection is called the orthocenter. Now let's take some example. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR, then what is the PM and what is the PD? Is QM is equal to MR? Here we can say that here QD is equal to DR. So PM is the altitude and PD is the median. PD is the median because QD is equal to DR. No, here QM is not equal to MR because D is the midpoint of QR. the next topic that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.